Are your photos not showing up in your iPhone gallery or iCloud photos not syncing correctly? This issue can happen because of incorrect settings, connection problems, or not enough storage. In this guide, I will show you the steps to fix the missing photos on your iPhone gallery or iCloud. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Ensure iCloud Photos is enabled. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap your name at the top Apple ID section. Select iCloud. Scroll down. Tap See All. Tap Photos. Ensure that iCloud Photos is toggled on. If this is enabled, then disable it and re-enable it again. This allows your photos to sync from iCloud to your device. Solution 2. Check internet connection. Ensure you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. To reset the network, you can enable airplane mode. Wait for 30 seconds. Now turn it off. iCloud needs a stable connection to download photos to your device. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to check if the issue is network related. Solution 3. Check your iPhone storage. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down, then select iPhone storage. Check the available storage. If your storage is full, iCloud may not be able to download more photos. Consider freeing up space by deleting unwanted files or apps. Solution 4. Log out and log back in to iCloud. Open Settings. Tap your name Apple ID at the top. Scroll down and tap Sign Out. Follow the prompts to sign out of your Apple ID. Restart your iPhone. Log back into iCloud by entering your Apple ID credentials. Solution 5. Enable Download and Keep Originals. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap Apps. Scroll down. Tap Photos. Scroll down. Ensure to set Keep Originals is selected. This setting ensures that all original photos are downloaded to your device from iCloud. Once you complete these steps, your iCloud photos should show up in your iPhone gallery. If you're still having trouble, reach out to Apple support for more help.